Hello everyone, KINGSINE here. Today, we'd like to walk you through how to run IEC61850 testing in KRT. For this session, we will be testing the Schneider P643 relay with differential protection functionality. First, we simply choose one module to access the main software interface. On this screen, navigate to System Config, that's where we can quickly adjust the relay tester settings. Under Output Type, we can switch the tester's output mode between analog and digital. Next, let's take a look at IEC61850 We can just click here to activate this function. And under binary type, we have the option to choose between relay contact or GOOSE. For IEC61850 testing, we now support edition 2.1, which covers most of our testing needs. We can simply click here to select the edition required. A little further down, we can also adjust the ratio for each voltage and current channel. Once we enable this function, the IEC61850 configuration page will appear. This is where we can configure SMV and GOOSE settings. In our next test with the relay, we'll only be using analog current and GOOSE, so we'll go ahead and disable the SMV function. And we keep the binary type as GOOSE. Then we click the GOOSE sub, open the SCL file. On this page, once the SMV or GOOSE control block is selected, its information will be displayed below. Here, we can then set its type to either publish or subscribe. We now change the type as subscribe and add it to the control block list. Then click the exit that we can see that the control block we choose will be shown on GOOSE page. And KINGSINE system supports subscription to up to 16 distinct APIDs for comprehensive testing coverage. In the top section, we can configure the subscription port for the relay tester CAN as needed. And based on the description, in map binary, we can configure to reflect trigger channels for differential protection. So this allows us to create up to 32 virtual outputs. After completing the settings, click Apply to activate them. What's more, that if LT's new substation or LED sets without SCD files, the Scout feature provides an efficient alternative by actively monitoring the fiber port, automatically sniffer GOOSE messages. We can add it for immediate test configuration. With the system configuration finished, let's move on to checking the hardware wiring. We'll connect two groups of current outputs from the KFA320 to the corresponding terminals on the P643, and link one pair of fiber optic ports from the KFA320 to the relay to establish GOOSE communication. Let us back to KRT. Within the template section, we find the relay manufacturer first, next we find the relay model and then open it. Now the template selects successfully. Next we click Test Object to import setting value. We here import the configuration file from relay. To make it apply on KRT, we gonna test differential on Schneider P643, we right-click to add one differential test module to the test center. And we can see the setting is already work, now we just need to add test points to the test list. After these steps, we can begin the test to verify the protection function. After completing all tests, we can manually evaluate the results as passed or failed. Then customize the report in settings by adding descriptions, company logo, and selecting the long format to include characteristic diagrams for clearer visualization. Simply select the test object in Test Center to preview the report, and once verified, we can save it as RTF or PDF. This completes our workflow. Thanks for watching our video.